Thinking of buying new windows or doors? Getting a quote can be a simple process. Our mobile estimators visit your home at a time that suits you, see the exact needs and give good solid sound advice. Then, using our unique software, design your new windows or doors, creating your price as we go, and can even email you a quote whilst still in your home. Then you have time to consider your options. No pressure. Open 7 days a week, our show centre is well worth a visit, with every range and colour on display, and any changes are easily made. Then you can place your trust in us to do a great job. Isn't that the way it should be?